What's up everybody, today I'm in Bangkok, Thailand and I'm going to show you guys a one-star Michelin restaurant. It's called Saneh Jaan and they specialize in Thai food. So this restaurant's actually had a Michelin star every year since 2018. Some other restaurants might have an off year, but here they're perfect. The food here looks amazing. I tried over a variety of items. We got fish, beef, non-alcoholic cocktails, so can't wait to show you guys. The menu was pretty extensive with no shortage to options. I ended up switching to a digital version of the menu with pictures. We got this menu with pictures, so it helps a lot. Because over here, you don't know what to expect. Sorry, Ka. Can we order one set lunch with the sea bass, the ribeye? For the dessert, can we do the 4 traditional dessert right here? This table is massive. I think this is the biggest table I've eaten on for a 2-person meal at a restaurant. And then you get like this whole booth here, which is crazy. So far, service has been really good. The servers here, even if they're on the other side of the room, they keep an eye out for me, just so if I need attention, they are ready for it. The servers do understand English, and it makes it easy to communicate with them. We're starting off with this starter. It's complimentary, not part of the meals we ordered. Looks like Asian taco. Let's try it. Definitely a lot of flavors. I taste lemongrass, coconut, I think the black sesame, and there's green onions in here, so definitely a lot of flavors. And after a good start, I think eating this in one bite would be better just because it gets really messy. So we got the ribeye here with curry. That's a la carte, not on a set meal. Dish smells amazing. We asked for it to be less spicy just so I can handle it. Some jasmine rice. I don't know, the best way to do is to do rice with some beef and curry. I start with the first bite here. Definitely very flavorful. Taste the curry, it's still got some spice to it. Wow, but very flavorful. Wow. You taste that green curry, and the ribeye is very tender to eat. Now we got the appetizer for the set menu. It's the 2 prawns. We got deconstructed taro that's fried and a sauce. Let's smell the sauce. Definitely a sweet sauce, tamarind sauce. I'm gonna start with the prawn. It still has the shell on the tail. Looks pretty good though. It's definitely very flavorful. You can taste like the grill marks on it. It is cold. This is a cold starter. I thought it'd be a little bit warmer. And then let's start with the inside. It's like different vegetables in here. Peppers, onion, I think this is bamboo shoots. Let's see. Spicy. So it's actually ginger, not bamboo shoots. Ginger, chilies, green onion. So it's spicy. Ooh. I would say that's spicier than the ribeye I had earlier. Taro we'll do just by itself first. Definitely really good. It's deep fried outside, and inside there's like cinnamon and taro together. And let's try the sauce now. Got the sauce. Very flavorful, wow. Kopunka.
Sea bass with roti. Today we serve bamboo shoot pork soup.
Soup, okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna start off with the soup. It's supposed to have bamboo shoots. It's gonna put it on top here. I see some coriander, a piece of bone in here, and bamboo. Very refreshing. You can taste all the ingredients in there. Wow. Next up, we're gonna do sea bass. It's the main entree for the set meal. It comes apart pretty easily. It's very good. There's a lot of flavor on top, and the flavor is throughout the fish, not just the outside. And then here also comes with roti. It's a Thai crepe. It's very good. Actually, they put some kind of sweetness on top of it, so it's pretty flavorful. It's not just a plain crepe. Nice, so let's try the watermelon juice. There's pulp in here, so it should taste pretty refreshing and healthy. It's very smooth and sweet, just as what I expected. Very refreshing. Next one, we got the non-alcoholic cocktail. I've been getting into these because it's the middle of the day, I don't really need alcohol, and there's a bunch of flavors in here. It's cheaper than an alcoholic cocktail. Just like crisps of onion or garlic on top, and then ice cubes in here. Oh, it's upside down. Hello. So many flavors. Wow. It's amazing. There's a lot of flavors. I can taste some lime at the end, some acidity. You definitely have to check it out. I think this is a really good drink. I would get another one of these. Wow. For still water, this is what we got. I'm scared to see the prices. This Thai dessert had a lot of components, so I'm happy the server helped me make it. The first step was to add the pandan short vermicelli, then the basil seed, followed by the black sticky rice and palm sugar, topped with some sweet coconut milk. Ice was added to it to give it some texture. Another layer of the sweet coconut milk, and then popcorn, which I thought was an interesting ingredient. So it's finally dessert time. So we're gonna start off with this a la carte dessert item. There's a lot of different ingredients, and I'm a little bit spooked out by the popcorn because I feel like popcorn and dessert, you know, don't really go together. But I'm keeping an open mind. There's the top part is chunks of ice. I don't know if you're supposed to break it and mash it, or let's do this. Whoa, there's a lot of flavors in there. Wow. Things I wouldn't expect to go together. It's very flavorful. The popcorn surprisingly adds some good texture to it. I was spooked out by it, but I've come to accept it. Overall, it's really cool dessert. Recommend trying it out if you're here. We got the taro coconut ice cream here. Luckily, it should be non-dairy. It's really good. You got the coconut strips. I love coconut meat and it tastes very fresh. And the ice cream isn't too sweet. It's very well balanced. Honestly, I prefer this dessert over the other one. The other one had too many flavors for me. This setting is a little bit more simple, but it still has different flavors as well. For 2 people at a Michelin-star restaurant, the total ended up coming out to be a little bit over $100. Overall, for the price, I think the food and drinks are pretty exceptional. If you're gonna go to Michelin-star restaurants in other countries, I think the pricing would be even higher. So I think it's a great experience for the price. And the place was kind of empty when we went on a weekday lunch, so I don't think it'd be too hard to get a reservation.